Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and we'll just get to it as per usual. First sketch 3 minutes 20 seconds, second sketch 2 minutes, and third sketch was 2.5 minutes. I am improving my speeds as well as actually still capturing essentially the photo. So good speeds, good starts, good proportions. However, number two, the nose is slightly too wide, as well as the jaw. Like you can see where the original jawline I actually put down. Obviously, it's further up. So yeah, that was the only thing. And number three, the hair was needing work, but I ran out of time. Although it was 2.5 minutes, and then I just thought, really, the proportions is all I really care about at the moment. So all similar and have aspects to the original reference photo, which I was really quite happy about. And I'm just really happy that the geometric and observational, as well as the good speed and feedback loop, are all coming together, and I'm actually being able to capture a photo or a person or the topic of the photo within 3 minutes and under. I'm just really happy that I'm actually getting to that level now. So let me know what you think. If you're utilising these methods, please let me know and start a wee chat going on in the comments. Thanks guys, bye!